Hey everyone, this is Rafael, and in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Ignite Drops review. And I'll be revealing all the negative and positive sides of using or not these drops. So if you're looking for more information about Ignite Drops, if it is really safe or not to use, I do recommend you to pay close attention on what I have to tell you until the end of this video, because I'm about to go through all what they have been hidden from the public. The real reason why there's a lot of people getting sick and losing money because of Ignite Drops. This is really serious for you and your health, okay? Ignite Drops is a weight loss liquid supplement that has received tremendous hype recently. So if you're wondering if Ignite Drops really work, the answer is a huge yes. This weight loss supplement has already helped thousands of women and men to burn off fat with no side effect reported. The first big warning I want to share with you is all about where you can purchase the original Ignite Drops supplement. And I'm telling you this because if you go now on YouTube, you're gonna see that there's a bunch of people who make YouTube reviews on Ignite Drops, and they're just trying to sell you a fake product that's not the original one that may cause some really bad damage to your body. But to help you and help you preserve your health, I'll just leave the link to the official website of where you can find the original Ignite Drops linked in the description box below. Ignite Drops can be your ideal solution to shedding excess weight. This is a potent oral drop that can be used to control your appetite and metabolism effectively. It can be useful if you find workout hard and adhering to a typical weight loss diet is not bringing desired and lasting results. How does Ignite Drops work? A number of studies have hinted that people of various age find it tedious to achieve a healthy body mass ratio. BAM15 hormone, which has a key role in causing weight loss in humans, tend to work less after the mid-30s. Ignite Sunrise Drops aim the stored visceral fat. You need to take just a few drops of the supplement every day to kickstart the fat burning process. It boosts your metabolism as well as energy levels. It also improves gut health and streamlines the digestion process, which is very important for balanced weight loss. Using Ignite Drops is simple and you will not need to spend much time on it. Take 20 drops of the supplement a few minutes prior to breakfast every day. You need to keep using it for 3 months or more to lose excess weight and retain the results, says the company. There's also one last important alert, and it is something you already know. Ignite Drops is only sold on its official website, but the thing is that this product also comes with a 150-day, no question asked money back guarantee, which means that in case you don't like it for any reason, within 150 days, all you gotta do is just let them know and they return 100% of your money back. With all that being said, I hope this video could help you clear up any doubts you might have about the Ignite Drops, but in case you still have any doubts left, don't hesitate, leave your comment down below and I'll be answering all your doubts about it, okay? Also remember that its success also depends on you. You have to take it every single day or otherwise you won't have any great results. Remember as well that this product is only sold on its official website that is linked down here in the description box below. So that was today's video. I hope you have liked it and see you guys next time. Bye.